All right, you magnificent market mavericks. Big Money Mike here, coming at you hotter than a freshly minted IPO on Wall Street. Welcome to the Market Mindset Podcast, where we're serving up the juiciest stock market tea this side of the NYSE. It's March 28th, 2025, and let me tell you, yesterday was wilder than a quarterback scramble in the fourth quarter. We've got Jim Cramer playing market cheerleader, Peyton Manning scoring a billion-dollar touchdown, and Goldman Sachs trying to dodge tackles from its deal-making rivals. So strap on your helmet, because we're about to run this market like a 2-minute drill. First up, let's talk about our boy Jim Cramer, who's out here spreading more optimism than a motivational speaker at a pep rally. While the indexes were seeing more red than a bull's eyes in a china shop, Cramer's saying the market might be healthier than we think. It's like he's found the market's secret stash of vitamins. Cramer's pointing to gains across a smorgasbord of sectors, from recession-proof plays to stocks that thrive in a robust economy. We're talking energy giants like Chevron, healthcare heroes like CVS and Vertex Pharmaceuticals, and financial MVPs like Brown & Brown. It's like the market's throwing a party and inviting everyone, regardless of their economic outlook. But here's the kicker. Big tech's still sitting on the sidelines, sulking like a benchwarmer who didn't get any playing time. Cramer's not ready to cut them from the team just yet, though. He's treating them like seasoned veterans who might be in a slump but could break out of it any minute. Now let's shift gears and talk about a different kind of playmaker, Peyton Manning. The quarterback legend just scored a touchdown in the business world that's bigger than any Hail Mary pass he ever threw. His company, Omaha Productions, just sold a 10% stake at a valuation of more than $750 million. That's more zeros than Manning threw touchdowns in his entire career. The buyer? A new platform run by Patrick Whitesell, the former Big Cheese at Endeavor. It's like Manning's playing in a whole new league now, folks. This deal could give Omaha Productions the firepower to create more content than Netflix on a binge-watching bender. Speaking of big plays, let's talk about Goldman Sachs. The investment banking giant's stock took a hit yesterday faster than a blindsided quarterback. Why? Because their rival, Jefferies Financial Group, posted earnings weaker than a rookie's first bench press. Jefferies' investment banking revenues fell harder than a wide receiver trying to catch a greased football. Their CEO blamed it on uncertainties around U.S. policy and geopolitical events. It's like the deal-making world is playing on a field covered in banana peels. But here's why we're not throwing in the towel on Goldman just yet. They're reportedly working with popular chat app, Discord, on its planned IPO. It's like they're the coach with the secret playbook that could turn the game around in the fourth quarter. So, what's Big Money Mike's hot stock pick for today? I'm going all in on Jabil, JBL. These manufacturing mavens are trading at a discount that's more attractive than a clearance sale at a luxury car dealership. With a PE ratio of 15.42 compared to their industry's 16.51, and a PEG ratio of 1.23 that's lower than the industry average, Jabil's looking like a value investor's dream come true. For you options junkies out there, I'm recommending a Jabil September 2025 $150 call. It's riskier than trying to tackle Derrick Henry in the open field, but if Jabil's value proposition pays off, you could be celebrating in the end zone like you just won the Super Bowl. Looking ahead to Monday, March 31st, I'm predicting we'll see some cautious optimism creep back into the market. The S&P 500 and Dow might shake off some of this week's jitters, but keep your eyes peeled for any surprise economic data or geopolitical curveballs. One wrong move, and we could see more market swings than a desperate coach's playbook in overtime. That's all for today, you beautiful bunch of bulls and bears. Remember, in the stock market game, only the informed survive. So stay savvy, stay hungry, and may your portfolios always be as impressive as Peyton Manning's career stats. Big Money Mike, signing off.